Unraveling Idioms, at one's wit's end. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom, at one's wit's end. This phrase is a gem in the English language, often used to express a specific emotional state. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such idioms can add flair to your English skills. The phrase, at one's wit's end, is used when someone is extremely frustrated and completely unsure of what to do next. It describes a situation where a person has exhausted all possible solutions or ideas and feels overwhelmed by a problem. This idiom vividly captures the sense of being unable to think of any more ways to try and solve a difficult situation. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them much easier to remember. The expression, at one's wit's end, has its roots in Old English literature. Specifically from the Psalm chapter 107 in the King James Bible. Originally, wit meant understanding, intelligence, or wisdom. So, being at your wit's end meant you had reached the limit of your mental capabilities. This historical context enriches its meaning and shows the depth of feeling it conveys. Now, let's put our idiom into action. Using at one's wit's end in sentences can help convey feelings of desperation or exasperation vividly. Here are a few examples. After trying all possible solutions, I was at my wit's end trying to fix the computer. She was at her wit's end trying to get her children to listen to her. The continuous delays put the project manager at his wit's end. These examples show that you can use the phrase in various contexts, from personal frustrations to professional challenges. To remember the idiom, at one's wit's end, associate it with a personal experience where you felt extremely frustrated and out of options. Visualizing the situation and the feeling can help cement the idiom in your memory. Additionally, try to use it in your own conversations or writing when you encounter a similar feeling of frustration. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, at one's wit's end. Idioms like these enrich our language and make it more colorful. They allow us to express complex emotions in a nuanced way. I hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discovering new ways to express yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more fluent. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.